Aloha and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Last time I posted some of my simple cooking and I have so many good response, and many of you asked me to do some simple Thai cooking. And so today we're going to show you how to make the shredded green papaya salad. So the papaya, this is a Thai papaya, so it's a little bit different than the Hawaiian. The Hawaiian is shorter. But you can use it, just doesn't matter, as long as it's green. Peel it, make sure take the seed off, and you have to use one of these machines, and you just shred them. You can do shorter, you can do longer, depending how you like it. If you don't have that machine, in Thailand what they do is you have to chop by hand, so it takes a lot longer, and then you just shred it like that. So you get a similar effect, okay? So the key ingredient on this one is the palm sugar. But what I'm gonna use is, this dish is very good for you because it's high in fiber, almost low in cholesterol, and fat-free. So I put 2 cloves of garlic, and I just want to smash them. Now the key is you want to make sure that you smash it really, really good, so you don't have a heavy bite garlic flavor. Then I put 1 of chili pepper. That depends on how spicy you like it. Thai chili pepper is very spicy, so 1 is more than enough for 1 order. Then I have some, this is a long bean. You just chop up about 1 inch long. Smash a little bit. I add some dry shrimp and smash them up. We're going to put a little bit of cherry tomato. Now, it doesn't have to be all different color. You use whatever you have in your house or in your market. And this is a palm sugar. So if you can't get palm sugar, you might want to use a regular sugar. It's okay, but it doesn't give them the same sweetness. The palm sugar is more smoother on the sweet side. The regular white sugar gives you the sharp taste of the sweet. So I put a little bit of that in there. Then I'm going to use lemon juice and lime juice. Lemon juice and lime juice you use about equal amount. So whatever, these 3 ingredients you use the same. 1, 1, 1. Sugar, lemon, and lime. Then we add a little bit of peanut. Then we're just going to add the green papaya. Now you just want to keep smashing until the flavor go into the green papaya really good. Then very simple. It's only take a few minutes. And in Thailand, we garnish with a wedge of cabbage. So that's a Thai papaya salad.